Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to use custom font weight on Funnelish. For example, you can see this is a bold font, but how we can use like 800 font weight or 900. So today I will show you. So for example, you can see here the font is 900 weight, the font weight. So I will show you today how we can use 900. So first of all, you have to go to this website font.download. Then we can see this font is a Poppins font. You can see here. So you have to download the Poppins font from here. Just search here Poppins. Then you can see this is the font. Just select the font and then you have to download font for free. Just click here. The font is downloaded. So this is the file. So now you have to go to the Funnelish and just select the font. Select the text and then you have to click here, then click on upload fonts. Now you can see I already uploaded these two fonts. Let's delete them. So now you have to click here. You will see like this. You can click here. Now just go to the folder. Then you can see this is a Poppins black. That means it's the font weight is 900 and this one is bold. So let's select this one and we will upload semi bold. So these two font weight. So this one is 600 font weight and this one is 900. Let's open. Now the font is uploaded. So now if we select this one, you can see the font is like bold. The font weight is 600. If we disable this one, it will still remain the font weight. So now if we make it, just click here and you can see Poppins black, or you can click here upload font, then select this font Poppins black. Now you can see this is 900. So if we refresh the page, now you can see this font is it's showing Poppins black, but the font weight is showing 400, but it looks like 900. You can see.